An endless darkness, countless skies, galaxies lost in the mists of time, stars that are born and die without ever telling their story. And us, standing alone on a small planet at the edge of this vast universe, or maybe alone. Our telescopes have scanned every corner of the sky. We have sent radio waves into the depths of this space, but did we get a response? Only silence, a stillness spread across billions of light years, a silence that screams. Even the silence of this universe wants to tell us something. And that curious mind sitting inside our skull, for eternity, it has been thinking a lot about this universe. And then there's this one question that's hidden inside us. Whoever wants to understand this universe, this question never leaves them. What is the purpose of this universe? Why are we here after all? Do the stars, planets, black holes, and maybe some unseen alien civilization have a shared and terrifying purpose? Or is all of this just a meaningless dance that will go on like this for eternity? Imagine for a moment that this universe is a giant clockwork machine, a machine whose parts are every galaxy, every star, every particle, and us, all working within that machine. But is this universe, this machine made up of everything, moving towards some unknown goal? After all, what is the purpose of this machine? If it is a machine, who controls it? Who is running it? And if no one is, then why is it running? These questions take us into that darkness where there are no answers, only more questions. And today we will take our first step onto the staircase of that darkness. The vastness of the universe and our loneliness. Our universe is so immense that our imagination can't even touch its boundaries. Scientists say that the diameter of the observable universe is 93 billion light years. There are billions of galaxies in it, and each galaxy has billions of stars, and each star has planets, satellites, and asteroids. But even with these infinite possibilities, we still haven't found any sign of life. No alien signal, no cosmic message, just silence. We started the search for extraterrestrial intelligence program, sent radio waves into space, landed rovers on Mars, and searched for water on the moons of outer planets. But every time, the answer was the same. Everywhere we looked, we saw only the emptiness that we feel when gazing at this infinite universe. In the icy oceans of Europa, on Titan, in the methane lakes, or anywhere near Proxima Centauri, there is no evidence of life. Are we really alone? Or maybe there's someone watching us, but they don't want to answer. This thought alone sends a chill down the spine, but if we are alone, the universe becomes even more mysterious. So vast, so complex, so ancient, about 13.8 billion years old. And it's hard to believe that it's just for us. But is it possible that these stars, black holes, galaxies, and all of this exist just for us, so that we can observe them? Doesn't this idea make you think? Don't you also feel that maybe all of this is moving toward a purpose beyond our understanding, a shared cosmic goal? Just think about it. What if everything, every star, every planet, every black hole, and everything that exists in this universe is perhaps trying to achieve the same common goal? This thought will give you goosebumps, but it's possible that maybe the universe is an experiment. A kind of lab where stars are born, planets are formed, and black holes swallow time. So that some unknown objective can be fulfilled, it seems as if all of this is bound by a mechanism. Everything here has certain limits, and no one breaks the rules made by this universe, nor does anyone question them. They just work to keep this universe running smoothly. Our services. We have many questions like what exactly is that goal? Is that goal to create life? Or maybe consciousness that allows our universe to understand itself? Or maybe something else? Something so terrifying that we can't even imagine it. Science tells us that the universe began with the Big Bang, which we see as an explosion. But in reality, it was a tremendous expansion of space that gave birth to time, space, and matter. But why was the Big Bang just a coincidence or the first step of some design? And if it is a design, then what is it? The burning of stars, the orbiting of planets, is all of this tied together by a single thread? Are we and the alien civilizations present in this universe, are we all part of that same thread? In Indian philosophy, the Rig Veda talks about Rita, a cosmic system that you can also call the cosmic order, which keeps the universe in harmony. But if there is this harmony, then who is playing its music after all? If there is any alien civilization present in this universe, then are they also listening to this music, or are they the ones creating this harmony? This rhythm itself decides how this universe will work, which rules it will follow. Actually, this question pushes us into that darkness where some greater entity is running this universe. Actually, in this darkness, every answer to a question gives birth to new mysteries. The search for teleology and purpose. To understand this question, we need a word, teleology. This is derived from the Greek word teleos, which means purpose, teleology. It's the idea that says the universe or everything in it is moving toward a goal. But what is that goal? Ancient philosophers have definitely tried to solve this question in some way. In Greece, Aristotle talked about the final cause. He said that everything has a purpose. A seed's purpose is to become a tree. A river's purpose is to merge into the sea. So does the universe also have a final purpose? In ancient India, the Vedas, which were written long ago, considered the universe as a yajna, a kind of sacrifice that maintains the cosmic order. If you look at it, we hear something or the other about this universe everywhere. Every civilization has its own ideas, everyone has their own beliefs about this universe. But we also see a pattern in the human mind. The universe is so vast that in front of it, our ancient times and modern era mean nothing. Or our intelligence is so small compared to the universe that it appears to be on the same level. Teleology makes us think that maybe the universe is a story, so there must be an author who wrote this story. Historical perspective, ancient discoveries. Thousands of years ago, when humans looked at the sky, they searched for their answers among the stars. In ancient Egypt, it was believed that Ma'at, meaning truth and order, governs this universe. Meanwhile, in India, the Upanishads spoke of Brahman, a consciousness that is the foundation of our universe. If this is true, then do stars, black holes, and even any aliens, if they exist, also know the same Brahman that we know? Is that consciousness controlling the universe? But if this is really the case, then it is necessary for everything present in this universe to have consciousness. And here we get tangled up in the same question again. What does this consciousness actually mean, and what does it want us or this universe to do? In Greece, Plato argued that the universe is part of an intelligent design, but if there is a designer, then where is he? Is he hiding beyond the galaxy, or is he sitting hidden in some other dimension beyond time? The ancient people had so many questions about this universe that today we are left with hardly any questions. But now the questions that come to our minds may not be fundamental, but they are so terrifying that a human, if we look at it on Savita's scale, just seeing this space would make us feel scared. After all, whoever created us, why are they hiding from us? Besides this, what else is being hidden from us? Is he watching us all the time? And after all, why has he given us so much freedom? Or is this freedom also just an illusion for us? We've been trapped in a cage from the very beginning. Restrictions have always been there for us, but we either ignore them or we've never thought about them from that perspective. Our life is just a moment in this universe, meaning that entity has made our lifespan in such a way that we can never fully explore this universe. But what if we assume that we humans become so advanced that we want to explore this entire universe within our own lifetime? Then we will have to increase our speed. You all know that if we want to reach somewhere quickly in a limited amount of time, we have to increase our speed. But that creator has also put a limit on speed. Can you think about why this was done? Why he wants to keep us entangled in these webs of physics? And even if we want to do something like that, the energy barrier comes in front of us. Like today, if we want to do any work or get something done in our world, there is an exchange of currency in that. Just like that, there is a similar currency in this universe as well. If you want to interact with anything in this universe, you have to lose something and give it back to the universe. And that is energy. And you both lose and gain that energy. Without energy, you can't do anything in this universe. You can't even have a thought in your mind. While writing this script, I was totally shocked by the idea that energy is an unseen currency in this universe. And I think maybe no one has ever thought about it like this before. So, suppose that if humans want to break the speed of light limit, they will have to spend the currency of this universe for it. And the universe is so smart that it never even created that much currency. Do you understand what this means? It means that the universe doesn't even want to allow you to break any of its rules. You will only have as much currency as you need. That means you'll only have enough energy to break the speed of light limit. You won't be able to achieve the speed of light, nor will you be able to freeze time and explore this universe. And ultimately, you'll be trapped in this universe without even knowing that, the mystery of the modern era. Today, our science has taken us to the depths of the galaxy. We know that black holes bend space and time. We have seen neutron stars that contain the weight of the entire Earth in just a spoonful. We have seen galaxy clusters bound together by the invisible web of gravity. But even among all this, we have always felt alone. We haven't received any alien signal. We haven't received any cosmic message. We haven't found any neighbors living in our own neighborhood. Science states the universe's precise laws made life possible here. Our universe is filled with such precise cosmological constants. These are some numbers that are so precise that we start to doubt that they couldn't have just appeared on their own. Some numbers are so small that just calculating them blows your mind. If they change even a little, there would be no stars, no planets, and no us. Knowing this, we feel the universe's creation must have been the greatest coincidence. Everything happened as if someone had set it all up in advance. It's surprising that if even one constant of this universe changes even a little, this universe would not be the same at all, as we see it today. So is our universe really a stage set just for us? Are we really that significant? If all of this was for us, then why did the universe remain barren and lifeless for billions of years? And if our existence or non-existence makes no difference to this universe, then why do we even exist here at all? It is said that the universe is the most efficient. In this universe, everything wants to attain the minimum energy level. But if we are somehow a part of this universe, it means that we are in some way a part of that same efficient machine. And surely this cosmic machine must have some purpose, for which such a vast universe has been created. Just think about it. What if the purpose of this universe is something beyond our understanding? Maybe it was made to light up the stars, swallow black holes, and give birth to consciousness. But all of this becomes even scarier when we think that this purpose is not for us. Are we just a byproduct of a process that's running for someone else? Is this the truth, or maybe some alien civilization millions of years ahead of us that has already known this purpose long ago is watching us the way we watch ants? The universe is full of questions, Evan. Some questions are so basic that they've always echoed in the human mind, like why was this universe created? Why do we exist? All these fundamental questions are so intertwined today that we ourselves can't even understand which question is right and which answer is right. But this is just the beginning. As you go further, this universe will seem even more mysterious to you. Before moving ahead, friends, we really work hard to bring you this content. You can support us in human currency by scanning the QR code given on the side. In return, we will keep taking you on a tour of this universe with such unique questions.